Top 5 Must-Have Kitchen Gadgets. Four-sided boxed grater. From Quizipro. This boxed grater features a grooved grating surface that allows you to grate more with less effort. Grooves reduce resistance, making it easier to grate food. Grooves also elongate the length of each individual blade. More food is grated with each stroke. It has non-slip handle and base provide stability. Grater can easily handle large quantities of food. Bonus ginger grater base shreds fresh ginger root while leaving unwanted fibers behind. Made with stainless steel blade, hand washing preferred. Vegetable spiral slicer. From Nunwares. This is really an amazing kitchen gadget that turns vegetables and fruits into imaginative and low-carb dishes. This spiral slicer comes with sharp 5 labeled blades. All the baldies made from Japanese 420S/S. It has a strong big suction base with easy operation on/off lever. Also has detachable to save space and a good travel partner. All the plastic parts made from reinforced ABS material, 100% BPA free. It comes with lifetime guarantee. Pop container set. From OXO. This set comes with one 2.1 QT container, one 1.5 QT container, two 0.9 QT containers, and one 0.3 QT container. These airtight, space-saving storage containers keep your dry foods fresh and your pantry organized. Push the button for an airtight seal, push again to release. Button pops up to double as a built-in handle. Comes with different shapes for maximum space efficiency. Cob corn stripper. From Chef N. This cob corn stripper is compact and easy to use corn stripper. You can easily remove corn from the cob in one quick twisting or pushing motion. It builds with durable stainless steel blades, effortlessly strip kernels in seconds. It can quickly add corn to any meal, from homemade salsa to southwestern salads. This is top rack dishwasher safe. Stem Gem Strawberry Huller. From Chef N. This gadget is very suitable for hull strawberries and other soft fruits and vegetables in seconds. This is a simple, safe, and effective alternative to strawberry coring or hulling with a knife. Insert the stainless steel claw, push gently, then twist out the strawberry stem for fillings and more. Its bold colors and a fun design make this strawberry tool easy to find in a drawer. Top rack dishwasher safe for fast and easy cleanup.